Hey everyone, welcome back to Clara Classes. Myself SD Parmar, your biology teacher, and today we are going to talk about a very delicate and a sensitive topic, reproductive health. Reproductive health. From the term only you people can understand that I am going to talk about all the kind of well-being of sexual health and reproductive organs. Means if a person is physically, emotionally, mentally, hormonally, socially and well behaviorally he is okay, then and then only the person called reproductively healthy person. Reproductively healthy person is not only having responsibility of his own health but also of the partner and upcoming progeny, leading to society to whole country. कैसे? तो देखिए, हियर आई हैव रिटन सम पॉइंट्स विच आर द प्रॉब्लम्स विच आर एसोसिएटेड विद रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ. जैसे कि इफ अनवांटेड pregnancies would be taken by the couple, it can lead to increased population of our country. और हमें पता है already how much shortage of employmentship, nutritive food, एजुकेशन फैसिलिटीज़ एंड ऑल. हम लोग अभी भी अंडर डेवलपिंग कंट्री में है. हम लोग बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, हमारी गवर्नमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा हम लोगों को सपोर्ट कर रही है, पर ये हमारा भी फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि हमें अपनी सोसाइटी को बचाने के लिए एटलीस्ट वी पीपल शुड बी हेल्दी in all the manner. So that is why this topic is very much necessary, especially for your kind of young adults. Second thing is lack of sex education can lead to sexual crimes, sexual abuses, rape cases, illegal abortions, STDs, many sexually transmitted diseases. That is only why to focus on this topic it is also necessary for children to avoid myths and misconceptions of sex educations. Then the aims of RHC. WHO has given us this program RHC, माने reproductive health and child care programs, to aware the people physically and functionally for the normal reproductive organs and reproductively healthy life, which can avoid all the sex related crimes, problems, non-healthy condition as well as sexually transmitted diseases. So these all are the aspects which might be called reproductively healthy and behaviorally interacting or interaction among all the sex related aspects of a people, of a person, young adults and everything we can say. So let us talk about the reproductive health. जिसे वो कहते हैं ना, प्रिकॉशन इज बेटर देन क्योर, प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. Sometimes what happens if the person is not having proper idea about contraception, then due to the physical drive the person can lead to unsafe sex which will result in unwanted pregnancy. In this condition what should be done? Our medical science has given us so many means of contraception which can help the person to avoid sexually transmitted diseases as well as hygienicity and termination तो नहीं बोल सकते but avoidance of unwanted pregnancy. So this kind of contraception methods could be of three type, could be क्या three types के ही है, like traditional method, then artificial devices and physiological method. फिर एक होता है इम्प्लांट्स एंड इंजेक्टेबल्स. Okay, so traditional method is a method of natural method. It's the one kind of natural method in what happens if the couple undergo through the coitus but the withdrawal of semen would not be done in the female body, there will be no matching of sperm and ova. So if the withdrawal is done before the climax outside of the female body, that is the traditional or natural method for the contraception which will avoid the zygote formation. Artificial devices, in which different kind of devices are available. We know that condom is a device which is used by male, which is made up of a rubber or a latex which will collect the semen into the condom only, so there will be no insemination. In a very simple language we also call it nirodh. Physiological barriers are the kind of the pills or tablets which is taken by ladies, in which one brand is very much famous called Saheli, which is having combination of the hormone estrogen and progesterone, which will not only help for the birth control but also help proper hormonal balance in the female body. Okay, but there are some limitations are also there, or we can call the demerits. Female could lead to vomiting, vomiting, nausea, sometimes abdominal cramps and all. जैसे हमें पता है each and everything is having its own pros and cons, so definitely these methods are also having some of the demerits, disadvantages, but at least we people can control the birth, which is unwanted birth. Like in some condition we can say the couple is not that much able and accidentally the coitus has been happened, which is leading to implantation. अगर couple के पास इतनी financial facilities नहीं है that they can born and brought up the child, in this condition birth control is necessary. मेडिकल साइंस हमें बिल्कुल भी इस तरह के इन्वेंशन इसलिए नहीं देता है to enhance the unwanted sex, to enhance the sexual crimes, or even they are not telling us for the termination of the pregnancy. We must have a seriousness about these all topics. ये चीज़ें कब की जाती है, ये चीज़ें कब यूज़ की जाती है? To make ourselves reproductively healthy, to make our society safe, to prevent those kind of progeny to come in this living world whom we are not able to take care. If the couple is not having those much favorable circumstances that they can afford a child, वो उसकी facilities को complete कर पाए, उसको nutritive food दे पाए, proper education दे पाए, so it is better to not to bring this kind of progeny in this world. So we must have this idea, at least your kind of young adult must have this idea. You people, if you would be aware about the sexual health, reproductively healthy society, as a biology student you can also aware the other people. As a good citizen, अगर हमारे कंट्री के बच्चे यंग एडल्ट इतने अवेयर रहेंगे, सीरियस रहेंगे, definitely these all problems we can easily fight against them. Is the implants and injectable method, जहाँ पर it could be diaphragm which is inserted into the female vagina. So we can say that it is the closing of entry of sperm. So sperm would be not having ability to enter in the female body and there will be no zygote formation. Rather than this thing, अभी ये चीज़ें तो हो गई contraception, माने precautions के तौर पर जो ली जाती है before coitus. But suppose in some cases precaution has been not taken and coitus has been happened, even it has been leaded to implantation, pregnancy has been taken place. So in this condition what should be done? So for that medical science has given us some means which is called birth control. अभी ये जो बर्थ कंट्रोल है वो कुछ स्पेशल केसेस में लिए जाते हैं, जो मैंने अभी आप लोगों को बताया कि ये बिल्कुल भी एनहेंसमेंट नहीं है किसी लाइफ को टर्मिनेट करने का. इट्स नॉट अ किलिंग टाइप ऑफ वे. और इसका ये भी बिल्कुल मतलब नहीं होता है कि इफ़ वी पीपल आर हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ अल्टरनेटिव सोर्स वी शुड एनहेंस अनसेफ सेक्स. This thing must be taken care by each and every person. Birth control measures could be of two types. It's a permanent solution of the contraception, or we can say the permanent sterilization in both male and female. जैसे मेल में होता है वैसेक्टोमी. It could be either permanent removal of testicle, which is called castration, or cutting of vas differentia to block the passage of sperm. In female it is of three types: ovarectomy, tubectomy, or tubal ligation. Ovarectomy is a surgery in which the ovarian are permanently removed from the female body, so there will be no ova formation, and definitely if ova will be not there, there will be no matting. Tubectomy is a cut off of fallopian tube, incisions of fallopian tube, so it will block the entry of sperm, or we can say that insemination would not be happen. Tubal ligation is the same thing. The fallopian tubes are cut and then after ligated, so there will be the permanent blockage for insemination. इसके अलावा one more method is there, that is called MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. Now this is a really very sensitive and serious topic. हमें पता है when male and female they would be having emotional connection, and this emotional connection when it will be converted into the physical connection which will lead to coitus, and coitus will give a rise to zygote formation, means formation of a new life. We are the people, we are the living organisms who are having ability to born and brought a new life into this living world, which is a really very beautiful word created by God. और भगवान ने हमें ये एबिलिटी दी है, तो हमें उसका मिसयूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए। किस तरह से? ये चीज़ बोलते हुए सच में बहुत शर्म आती है। मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसीज इन ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, अराउंड 50 to 40% MTPs are planned MTPs, means 1/5 part of the whole total birth of a babies। मतलब कि हम लोग सीरियस नहीं है इस चीज़ को लेकर। If we people are having ability for the medical termination of pregnancy, that means we people, without any kind of thinking, without any planning, we people are bringing a new life into this world. When in the mother womb there is a zygote formation till the first trimester. As we know that pregnancy 9 months has been categorized into 3 trimesters, in which first trimester of 3 months, at that time it's a zygote only. But after the 12th week of pregnancy, it will be converted into organogenesis. Slowly, one by one, whole organs of the body are getting developed. जिसमें से जो first organ develop होता है, that is the heart. Like heart, जिससे हमारे सारे emotions connected है. It is the bondage of love. Now you think this thing. The baby which has implanted into the mother womb is the sign of love of two people. And just due to some problems, we people are leading to MTP, like female foeticide. Isn't it a crime? Are we people not doing wrong? Are we people not using these sources for our betterment? Should we not be serious about this all things? So this thing only I want to tell you. MTP are done in some kind of specific circumstances. Suppose the mother is not that much healthy that she can carry the baby pregnancy, और इफ़ अ बेबी इज़ फिज़िकली और मेंटली नॉट हेल्दी, इस तरह के किसी हैंडीकैप या मेंटली नॉन हेल्दी बच्चे को इस दुनिया में लाना, हमें पता है कि फिज़िकली अब नॉर्मल चाइल्ड हो या मेंटली अब नॉर्मल चाइल्ड हो, किस तरह का व्यवहार होता है सोसाइटी में इन बच्चों के साथ। इस तरह की ज़िंदगी देने से बेटर डॉक्टर्स एडवाइस करते हैं, बट इट इज़ अप टू द कपल। इफ़ द कपल इज़ मेंटली दैट मच एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट चाइल्ड फॉर द होल लाइफ, they should go on with that pregnancy. But if they are not having that kind of circumstances, favorable circumstances, then they undergo through MTP. MTPs are not for killing of a child. This thing must be taken care by each and every fertile couple. For the young adults, we people must be take care of this thing. और ये चीज़ें हमारी सोसाइटी को कौन समझा सकते हैं? आप जैसे स्टूडेंट्स, young adults, who are the future of the next generation, who are the future of the healthy country. If you people will be serious, if you people will be healthy, then you can create the healthy society. Must take care. Female foeticide or MTPs, termination of the pregnancies, are not for the enhancement of sexual crimes and undesired, unwanted, non-safe sex. They are for the means of avoidance of these all problems. But if we people can take care, if we people would be aware and serious, definitely we will not have to continue with this all means. So please take care of this thing, be serious about reproductive health, and make a healthy, reproductively healthy society and reproductively healthy country. Thank you.